Isn't it cool to know that just by clicking a few buttons, you can earn $5, $10, or even up to $20 repeatedly rolling into your wallet or account balance? Well, we always look down on small amounts sometimes, but not in this case, because I will show you a website that earning $10 up to $20 is not something to ignore. It adds up very quickly, and they can end up into more than $200 to $300 in just a few clicks of a few buttons. I'll also give you tips on how to make your earnings double or triple profits only by clicking a few buttons. Make sure to focus and watch the steps very carefully so that you won't miss out on this method. Now first go to enrollapp.com, and once you've reached the homepage, you'll see Let's Make the Web a Better Place. It's a 100% legit company that is in high demand and popular in the industry right now. And it allows us to make money from home without the need for any technical skills or experience. Now pay close attention as I show you exactly how to start making money online right now. When you're on the Enroll App's homepage, click the green sign in button on the right side of the screen, and you'll be taken to a box where you'll need to enter your email address and password. It's a simple process, but I'd also recommend checking your email because if this is your first time signing up for a free account, you'll need to activate it by clicking the link sent to your email address. The mission progress data that you'll see on your Enroll App dashboard once you've logged in will track your progress every time you finish a mission. There's a little cow on the progress meter that starts on the left and moves forward to the right as you complete projects and mission. But here's the best part. It'll give you extra cash prizes and bonus money, which is why I highly recommend this to beginners. Listen up here, because there are some things that I want to teach you that can help you double or even triple your money. What is it? Well, it's a little secret trick that I discovered after working on this website. So keep watching and pay attention so you don't miss anything. When you scroll down below on your Enroll App dashboard, you'll see the polls and how many polls you've answered. A poll is a question like the one below that you have to answer, and it shows how you stack up. Then you'll see the statistics, surveys, and polls of how many people answered yes and no in this question. You don't have to do anything in this question. It's important to answer every poll in order to earn money online. Also, the more you answer the polls, the more points you'll have. So from the start line, your little cow icon can reach the finish line if the progress missions and earn more money bonus money, making it much easier for this website to find you suitable projects that fit your demographic. If you do another question, it will add up to the polls that you've answered. You can repeat the same question by clicking on the button between a yes or no and continuing. You will see in real time how many polls you've responded to. You can do this as many times as you like because there is no limit. Remember that the more questions you answer or the more polls you've answered, the more money you'll make. You can do this on your phone if you don't have a computer, and it works anywhere in the world. It doesn't matter if you live in the United States, the United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, India, the Philippines, Europe, or any other country in the world. But before we go any deeper, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you've loved the video thus far. And if you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. So now if you go to your dashboard and click on achievements at the top, you'll be able to see your progress, as well as how many badges and points you have. You can also see what mission you're on. For example, your first mission says Earth. Now all you have to do is follow the instructions on how to take the tests, answer the poll questions, and be active. For 30 days in a row, you'll need to complete a poll question for 5 minutes each day and complete your first mission as explained before. As you progress, the cow icon will move to the right until it reaches the finish line. And the more badges you earn, the more points and money you can earn on this website. You need to make sure that all of your profile settings are updated and that your responses to these questions are kept private, so don't worry about it. When you log into your account, click the down arrow beside the profile icon and click Text Preferences. Once on the page of Text Preferences, it will tell you that you need to make sure that all of your profile settings are up to date. If you're wondering why you need to select all 3 devices, the answer is that the more devices you choose, the more tests you can do and the more polls you can answer. And with that, the more money you can make. You'll be asked when is the best time to take the test for testing availability. So I'd like you to choose the first option, which is to send me text as soon as possible so they can send you a lot more tasks and task notifications to your inbox. The more opportunities you have, the more money you can make, as well as checking the notification below about sending you an email when you qualify for a test, and validating your phone number so that they can also send you an SMS notification in addition to your email inbox. Whenever they have tests available and you're qualified to take them, always keep in mind to follow all the settings to make more money on this website. Then you can go back and answer the full questions and repeat the process. I hope you can see how easy it is to make money online using this website by simply clicking a few buttons. I believe that anyone can do this. All you have to do is focus on your progress by completing all of your missions, earning more points, badges, and seeing your progress go from $0 to $100. And that's it. If you love similar content like this, take a look at my other videos, and if you like it, please smash the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. But if you have any further questions, feel free to comment down below. See you in the next video.